Hello friends, today we will learn the difference between some and any. First, let's understand some. The adjective some is used in positive sentences and it is used with uncountable nouns and plural nouns. Let's take some examples. I like some coffee. We eat some rice. She cooks some vegetables. He buys some books. John eats some apples. Now let's understand any. The adjective any is used in negative sentences and in interrogative sentences. Let's take some examples. I do not have any water for drinking. He does not have any knowledge. Does he polish any shoes? Do you have any solutions? Do you like any rice? One more thing, we can use some in interrogative sentences when we offer something and request something. Let's take some examples. Would you like to have some milk? Would you like to eat some apples? Let's move to our second examples. Can you please lend me some money? Can I have some salt, please? Can you give me some oranges? So friends, I hope you have understood the difference between some and any. Thank you.